Welcome to Oodles, where innovation meets precision. Explore one of our recent client projects, a groundbreaking Carrom game, developed for our client to redefine digital board game experiences, seamlessly blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. We've created a cutting-edge adaptation powered by advanced C# scripting and sophisticated 3D physics, breathing new life into this classic game. Combining technical mastery with creative ingenuity, our skilled developers seamlessly integrated robust game logic, realistic physics simulations, and high-fidelity graphics through meticulous coding in C# and Unity's powerful tools. Our robust 3D physics system accurately simulates intricate interactions, while our intuitive UI/UX design ensures a seamless, engaging experience from start to finish. From realistic striker movement and disc collisions to accurate pocketing logic and foul detection, every aspect of the gameplay mechanics is meticulously crafted to deliver an authentic Carrom experience. Our team's expertise ensured that the Carrom game achieved unparalleled realism, optimized performance across platforms, and provided players with an exceptional gaming experience. Partner with Oodles and experience technical excellence powered by innovation.